Baby things. Crib. Crib. Crib.
Crib. Crib.
A crib is where a baby can play safely.
Pacifier. Pacifier.
Pacifier. Pacifier.
The baby is sucking a pacifier while sleeping.
High chair. High chair.
High chair. High chair.
The baby sitting in the high chair is hungry.
Rattle. Rattle.
Rattle. Rattle. Mark shakes rattles with both of his hands. Crib.
Crib.
Pacifier.
Pacifier. High chair.
High chair. Rattle.
Rattle.
Or. If. It.
Or.
If.
It. Do.
He. In.
Actions.
Sit. Sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
We sit when we take a rest.
Play. Play.
Play. Play. Play. What is your favorite toy to play with?
Hug. Hug.
Hug. Hug. Hug.
I love to hug my mom very much. How about you?
Clap. Clap.
Clap. Clap. Clap. Let's put our hands together and clap.
Sit.
Sit. Play.
Play.
Hug.
Hug.
Clap.
Clap.
D. 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 Mud. 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 D. Sand. Sand. D. Bed. Bed. Words end with D. Bed.
Dad.
Red.
Mud.
Road. Bud.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome! Crib.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Great job!
Rattle.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it! Sit.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Play.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic! Clap.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
That is right.
Hug.
Which one is or?
You did it.
Can you pick out?
If.
You did it.
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.